Good morning, guys. Me and Dion just went to the 7-Eleven by the train station to get some rolling papers for me. Oh my god. I don't know what's happening. Some greater force is challenging me to get my shit together. Someone just put an electric unicycle for sale for 7,000 Danish, which is really fucking cheap considering it's normally like 3 times that price for new. I mean, of course it's been used, but yeah, I really want to get this, so maybe I gotta go out and make some money soon, huh? I mean, I do already have a vehicle, I do already have an e-bike, and the electrical system would work either for an e-bike or for an electric unicycle regardless, but I miss riding electric unicycles, and also they have a huge battery, you know? Now that I'm actually building the electrical setup, it might be nice to have a battery that actually keeps some charge. Yeah, let's see what I do about that. But it's a nice day, beautiful day. We've had some good days, weather-wise. But we're just inside all the time now. Hopefully we'll get the bike issue dealt with today. I'm pretty sure we will, because I'm gonna... Me and Dion's been sitting here spending the past hour or so trying to order these solar panels, okay? And we've been trying all kinds of ways, all kinds of different websites, and now finally we got it to go through. But then because we paid with some other option, it just picked up an address that Dion had, like his own address in America. So now we had to reach out to support. Hopefully we're gonna be able to take care of all these issues, so we actually get the solar panels sent over here. No hassle. Fingers crossed. I mean, I did reach out to these guys before. They respond pretty quickly, so I think there's a large chance they're gonna read our email before they ship out the package. But let's go, man. I'm so excited we got solar panels on the way. Maybe to the wrong address for now, but we'll fix it. Eating breakfast. I'm growing quite fond of these. It's like half energy drink, half soda. They're pretty good.
I think I might try one.
Yeah. I'm gonna get you one. Okay guys, I'm in the supermarket now. Me and Dion ate all the eggs. So I just went over here to go buy some eggs for Mike and Kiki so they can have breakfast too. Let's go. Bunch of beautiful girls outside. I don't know what's up with that. Let me just get out of here. We gotta stay focused, brothers. Check it out, guys. Mike are doing the dishes. That's new. I like it though. This is better than porn.
That's not. Put it on Pornhub.
Okay, we're just sitting there chilling in the apartment. Kiki's getting ready to leave to pick up Mike's son. And I'm going down to buy whatever we need for making dinner. We're gonna make a real proper Danish dinner tonight, not just random shit mixed together. Hi, my dummies. Hi. Wow. Hi, miss. Wow. Hi. Yeah, hi, my dad. Hi. Wow. Wow. She just wanted to say hi. I think she was calling. It looked like she was calling an older lady saying, hey, it's feeding time. I don't really like how we're stuck in this apartment. Like, Dion's been here for a week now and he's only been sleeping outdoors for 2 days so far. It's not ideal. It's not ideal. But hey, one thing that is pretty ideal is the fact that he invested in the solar panels. And of course I'm gonna pay him back. give it a couple of months, then I can pay him back. Mike's gonna help me out. But yeah, just having him ordered is just a giant burden lifted off my shoulders, or just like a great source of inspiration and motivation. I'm really happy. I've gotten a lot further in these 2.5 months than I should have realistically gotten. And funny thing is, it's not even because I've been working and making money. The reason I've been getting by like this is because of, I guess, my social abilities. Like the fact that I'm really good with people. Like even if I'm not good with money and working, I guess I'm pretty good with people and social interactions. So it's not all bad, you know. At least I got some skills I can use. And of course, I still gotta pay Dion back. But he told me I got like a year to pay him back, and realistically, it's only gonna take a few months. At least if Mike helps me out. Let's go.
While I'm black inside.
Hey, we got the tobacco thanks to Dion because he had ID on him. Apparently all of us old men, we just look like young boys to these people working here, so we had to show ID. And I never bring ID with me. Why would I? I'm obviously an adult, right? But nah, man. So Dion saved us. Let's go. Look at the lighting on the tree, man. It's beautiful. Let's get home. Look who showed up, all tired. I think he's ready to sleep in a little bit. I'm not even sure he's gonna get dinner. Look who fell asleep with a lollipop. Sweet dreams, buddy. I keep forgetting to film my food because I'm so hungry when I eat. But yeah, Mike made this paprika pot. It's basically what we call it. It has some pork meat and some bacon and some tomato and a bunch of paprika and a liter of cream, a heavy cream. It's delicious. It's a calorie bomb. Exactly what I need. I'm gonna go hang with the others in the smoker room.